When a dealer's marketing manager quit unexpectedly during their busiest month last year, their general managers thought they were in deep trouble. She immediately tried everything to salvage the month, increased their Google Ads budget by 50%, pushed a discounting strategy across the entire lot, had salespeople manually calling old leads, rushed to hire a replacement marketing person, and posted frantically on every social media. None of it worked. Sales were down 22% by month M. That's when the GM discovered something that would completely transform how their dealership approached their monthly sales cycle. Instead of patching together different marketing tactics and hoping for results, she implemented a systematic day-by-day approach built around the natural 30-day rhythm of the dealership business. By integrating AI-powered marketing that worked in harmony with her sales team's effort, the dealership didn't just recover, they broke their previous sales record in the very next month. This system wasn't just a one-time fix. It became their predictable engine for growth, month after month. That's why we're so confident when we make this offer. We will install our Turbo AI customer acquisition engine in your dealership and double your leads while helping you sell 30 additional vehicles, or you won't pay. Dealers just like you are already seeing transformative results. One Toyota dealership on the West Coast used this exact system to generate over 2,000 leads and sell 373 units in 30 days. A Hyundai dealer used it to see their lead-to-appointment ratio jump to 61%, resulting in a lead-to-deal ratio of 21% on leads costing under $27. A 3-location dealer group in the Midwest implemented this system and saw their Google search lead cost shrink to under $9 and add over 900% more leads compared to the Performance Max campaigns. Our system doesn't just work for one brand or region. We've proven it with hundreds of dealerships across almost every manufacturer from coast to coast. Click the button below now to schedule your demo. During the call, we'll analyze your current situation, explore how our system can be customized for your specific dealership, and map out what your first 30 days would look like. Remember, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Either we double your leads and help you sell an additional 30 vehicles, or you won't pay until you do, but you need to act now. We can only work with a limited number of dealerships in each market, and these spots are filling quickly. Click the button below, schedule your demo, and let's start transforming your dealership's performance today.